What if I told you that a 25-year-old investing just $200 a month could retire with over $1 million without ever getting a raise, winning the lottery, or picking a single stock? That's not a fantasy. That's compound interest. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how it works with real numbers that will change the way you think about money forever. What is compound interest? Let's start with the basics. Compound interest is simply earning interest on your interest. Not just on the money you put in, but on every dollar your money has already earned. It sounds simple, but the math behind it is nothing short of extraordinary. Albert Einstein reportedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. And once you see the numbers, you'll understand why. The simple example. Let's say you invest $1,000 today at a 10% annual return. After year one, you have $1,100. That extra $100 stays invested. In year two, you earn 10%, not just on your original $1,000, but on the full $1,100. So now you have $1,210. In year three, you earn on $1,210, and so on. You never added another dollar. But after 30 years, that single $1,000 investment grows to over $17,000. You put in $1,000. Time and compounding did the rest. The real numbers, $200 a month. Now let's make it real. You invest $200 every single month starting at age 25. You earn an average of 10% per year, which is roughly what the S&P 500 has returned historically over the long term. By age 35, just 10 years in, you have around $38,000. By age 45, you have roughly $152,000. By age 55, you have around $456,000. And by age 65, you have over $1,300,000. You invested a total of $96,000 of your own money. Compound interest did the other $1,200,000. Let that sink in. You contributed less than 8% of your final balance. Time and compounding did the other 92%. The cost of waiting. Now here is where it gets painful. What if you wait just 10 years and start at 35 instead of 25? Same $200 a month, same 10% return. By age 65, you have around $452,000. That 10-year delay cost you nearly $850,000. Not because you invested less, not because you earned less, simply because you started later. This is why every financial expert on the planet tells you the same thing. Start now, not next year, not when you earn more. Now. How to start? You don't need a financial advisor. You don't need to be an expert. Here is all you need to do. Open an investment account, a brokerage account, or retirement account like an IRA or 401k. Invest in a low-cost index fund that tracks the S&P 500. Set up automatic monthly contributions, even $50 or $100 to start, and then leave it alone. Don't touch it. Don't panic when the market dips. Just let time do what time does best. Outrow, compound interest is not complicated, but it is ruthless with time. Every year you wait is a year of compounding you can never get back. The best investment you will ever make is starting today, even small. Even imperfect. Just start. If this video helped you see money differently, hit like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more weekly content on building real lasting wealth. I will see you in the next one.